Namyo Renge Kyo, 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 louder. Namyo Renge Kyo, 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 Namyo Renge. Okay, everybody, please produce cosmic energy. Good morning, namaskar everyone. How are you today? Are you fine? And what is today's date? Today's date? 2000. Today's date is 27th Vaisakh, right? Today 20th? Today 20th. How fast it become 20th, right? No, Saturday was 26th. Then 20th. 28th. Who is there? Please come inside. 28th Jestha 2081. So this is class 9 and I have already announced about Guru and Super Guru, right? And I am Mahaguru. The leaders are Gurus. Who are they? Gurus. And their leader is Super Guru and their teacher is Mahaguru. So it goes like that. And during present, you keep that side, no need to know. One walk at a time, keep that side. Today, students, means two students will come here. One is Guru, one not Guru, one presentator. And afterwards, when the presentators, so one slide is over, then Guru will, means the presentator will choose whom he or she has chosen as Mahaguru, Super Guru will come and explain. Okay? I think that is quite good. So who is first presentator? Sushil. Sushil is presentator and who is your Super Guru? Aarina. So Sushil and Aarina are coming. Please come. Aarina is for you. Aarina is Super Guru and Sushil is presentator. So you have these things. You have no quite systematic. Okay? Come on. So one slide. And the rest of others take correct position and understand the math. Focus and keep in mind. Okay, Deshara? Is there any message? My message means you can do there. Okay? Why is it taking a long time? How many sides are there here?
I think so.
How many sides are there? Long time. No, so I'll just download, okay?
No, I will
I'll
not
just
read.
download.
You read, I'll explain.
I click photo and paste there.
Sometime
You
what will happen,
read
the
one
net
point,
become
I will
slow.
explain that. You read one point, I will explain.
Instead of appointment, I will go to download. Download is here. It is download tab given. Human nervous system. Okay, any slides though?
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. It's me Sushil from grade 9 standing here to present on human hormones and their functions.
You simply made photo and what?
This I don't know to make this.
You must make.
Glands, human hormones and their function. Glands, pituitary gland. It is located on skull of human body and it secretes growth hormone and stimulatory hormones. Its function is to control the growth of the body and control and stimulate in the secretion of other glands. Hyposection, dwarfism, growth retardation and more urination, high BP, etc. And hypersecretion, gigantism, overgrowth.
Pituitary gland. It is actually located in skull and it secretes growth hormones, which is responsible for our growth and development. And its next function is stimulatory functions, and its hyposecretion can cause dwarfism. It means growth retardation, which makes us more shorter than a normal or average people. And more urination, high BP is also the cause due to the hyposecretion of pituitary gland. Hyposecretion means less secretion, while hypersecretion is more secretion, which makes us more bigger or in size or than an average people, which is also known as gigantism.
And next gland is thyroid gland. It is located in throat and it secretes thyroxine and calcitonin, and its function is to grow. It helps in growth of the body and stimulates cellular metabolism and encourages Ca deposit in bone. And it hyposecretion, drying of skin, physical and mental retardation, etc. And hypersecretion, increased rate of metabolism, excessive hunger, etc.
We can see one gland next here, thyroid gland, which is actually located in throat, and it secretes thyroxine hormone and calcitonin. And its major function is growth of the body, and it stimulates cellular metabolism. It also encourages Ca deposit in bone, and its hyposecretion means less secretion can lead for drying of skin, physical and mental retardation, which means our growth in mentally and physically growth gets retarded or it becomes slow. And hypersecretion, more secretion can lead to increased rate of metabolism, excessive hunger, etc. It means when there is more secretion of the thyroxine or calcitonin hormones from thyroid, then it can lead for increased rate of metabolism, and we feel more hungry suddenly or faster than an average people.
This is so many things.
Sir, I'll go.
Cover?
Yes, sir.
No. Here we go. Exit.
And next gland is parathyroid gland. It is located in overthyroid in throat, It secretes parathormone, and its function is to maintenance of calcium and phosphate level, and also control the proper development. And hyposecretion is tetany, and hypersecretion is formation of tumor and kidney stones.
In parathyroid glands, it is located in overthyroid. It means it is located in throat, and in the thyroid gland, parathyroid is 4 in number, and it secretes parathormone. It is responsible for maintenance of calcium and phosphate level. It controls the proper development. Its hyposecretion, less secretion can lead for tetany, and more secretion, hypersecretion can lead for formation of tumor and kidney stones.
And next one is pancreas. It is located in alimentary canal, abdomen. Abdomen.
It functions.
It secretes insulin and glucagon, and its function is to maintenance of sugar level in blood, and also supplies sugar in blood. And it hyposecretion is diabetes, and hypersecretion is hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia.
Pancreas. It is also the next gland, which is also known as heterocrine glands. It secretes both exocrine, and it functions as both exocrine and endocrine glands. It's actually located in alimentary canal, abdomen. It is responsible for our digestion. So it is located in our alimentary canal, and it secretes insulin and glucagon. It is responsible for the maintenance of sugar level in blood, and also it supplies sugar in blood. While its hyposecretion can lead for diabetes, while hypersecretion can lead to hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia.
Adrenal gland. It is located in kidney, and it secretes adrenaline, aldosterone, aldosterone, and cortisol. And its function is to maintain blood pressure, prepare body for facing emergency, balances salt in body, balance water in body, and stress management. And its hypersecretion is hypertension.
We can see our next gland, adrenal gland. While there are 2 kidneys in our body, in its upper parts there is a triangular shaped glands, which is also known as adrenal glands. It secretes adrenaline, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. It also secretes aldosterone, hydrosterone, and cortisol. Its major function is to maintain blood pressure, prepares body for facing emergency. It prepares our body for facing emergency. So it is also known as glands which helps us to face emergency, gland of emergency. And it balances salt in body, balances water in body, stress management, and its hypersecretion can lead for hypertension, which is also regarded as more tension, where we feel scared or we feel anxieties, such problems. And
testis. It is located in scrotum, male, below abdomen, and its function is testosterone, and it secretes testosterone, and its function is to develop and maintain male secondary sex character and production of sperm. And it hyposecretion is to unable to produce.
Testes is a kind of gonad which can be said as heterocrine glands. Also, it is located in scrotum, only in male, below our abdomen, and it secretes testosterone, which is responsible for our reproduction. It develops and maintains male secondary sex characters. Its next function is to produce sperms, and its hyposecretion can lead to unable to reproduce.
Next one is ovary. It is located in reproductive system, female, lower part of abdomen. It secretes estrogen and progesterone, and its function is growth of mammary gland, growth and development of female secondary sexual characteristics, and also prepare ureter suitable for the development of embryo. and hyposecretion is sterility.
Ovary is a female gonad which can be also known as heterocline gland because it functions as both exocrine and endocrine, producing juices and hormones. It is located as reproductive system in female lower part of abdomen. It secretes estrogen and progesterone as a hormone, and its function is growth of mammary gland and growth and development of female secondary sexual characteristics. It prepares uterus for suitable for the development of embryo. It means that when a woman gets pregnant, then ovary makes the uterus suitable for the development of that embryo and the proper growth of that baby, and its hyposecretion can lead to sterility. Thank you. Have a great day. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, presentator and super guru. Actually, this whole portion is the summary of 6 endocrine glands, right? What are the 6 endocrine glands? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal glands and gonads. So, if I tell you which gland secretes adrenaline, then what do you say? Adrenal gland. Which gland secretes calcitonin? Thyroid gland. Which gland secretes thyroid stimulating hormone? Pituitary gland. So please, you have to focus and keep in mind. Which gland secretes estrogen? Ovary. Which gland secretes testosterone? Testes. Which gland secretes glucagon? Pancreas. Which gland secretes parathormone? Parathyroid gland, right? Yes or no? Mainly, what to remember? Name of the gland, hormone secreted, their location, and normal functioning. And sometimes, okay, which gland is associated with tetany? Parathyroid gland. When there is less amount of parathormone in our body, then what will happen? The bones become very soft and there is twitching of muscle. That is called tetany. That's great. Now, let's go to our it's gone now. Why it's gone directly? It means it's not connected. It's not connected. Okay. So I'll just do it again. Now which turn? Who is our next presenter? Our next presenter is Nikisha. Okay, Nikisha, let me download your document, then it will be easy. Nikisha, and who is your super guru? Aarina. Okay, Nikisha also has chosen her Nikisha Manandar. Nikisha, when did you send your document?
Sir, I forgot, but it was long time ago.
Nikisha, what is your email address? Please come here. Nikisha, I think May 31, right? It is the one?
No, sir.
It's a reflex action. Then where is it? Nikisha, we have to see. Nikisha. June 2nd?
I think so.
Nikisha, did you say in June 2nd or what?
I think so.
June 2nd. This is human nervous system, reflex action is here. Is that yours?
No, sir.
This is of May 3rd. Nikisha has sent in June 2nd. Okay. If you download, then it will be quite easy. Okay, I'm downloading. So, presentator and my good, super good, please come. I'll just make it ready. Okay, our document is here. Now, who is next presentator? Deshara. Who is your Shubham Guru? Krijal. Good, good, okay. All right, please. You can start your presentation and explanation.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. It's me,
Everybody
Nikisha from grade 9, standing here to give a presentation on the topic plant hormones. Now my presentation goes like this. For the best growth of plants, they need quality soil, water, and suitable temperature. They are external factors required for the proper growth of plants. There are some internal factors required for plant growth called phytohormones or plant hormones. Phytohormones are the chemical compounds produced in plants' bodies which play a vital role in sprouting plants' growth, flowering, fruiting, fruits ripening, and phototropism, etc. Some synthetic hormones are also in use by farmers. There are major 5 natural hormones required for plant growth: auxin, gyberillins, cytokinins, acid, and ethylene. Or out of them, ethylene is a gas and others are liquid. Hormones are categorized into 2 major groups: growth promoters, auxin, gibberellins, cytokinins, and ethylene, and growth inhibitors, acids, and ethylene. Ethylene is both a growth promoter and a growth inhibitor. There are more hormones in addition to the given examples. Some other plants' hormones are bacinosteroid, salicylates, etc. Function of
No, now she will explain. Reading the okay.
from previous. Here we can know about plant hormones. For the best growth of plants, they need quality soil, water, and suitable temperature. It means for our, like in human growth, there are some necessity for our growth, as in plants also there are some necessities like proper quality of soil, water, and suitable temperature. They require sometimes external factors, while internal factors, here it is about external factors and internal factors required for plant growth, while internal factors required for plant growth are also known as phytohormones or plant hormones. Phytohormones, we can see one word which is also known as phytohormones or plant hormones. They are the chemical compounds produced in plants' bodies which play a vital role in sprouting plants' growth, flowering, fruiting, fruits ripening, phototropism. It means there are some hormones produced by plants also for the proper growth, sprouting plants growth, flowering, fruiting, fruits ripening, and phototropism, etc. It means without this phytohormones or plant hormones, the plant cannot grow properly. Continuing with this, some synthetic hormones are also in use by farmers. It means that there are external factors which are used by farmers for the proper growth of plants. There are major 5 natural hormones required for plants growth. There are major 5 natural hormones required for plants growth, which are known as auxin, gyberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Out of them, ethylene is a gas and others are required. It means that ethylene is a gas. and other these four are all liquid. Continuing with this, hormones are categorized into two major groups. Hormones are categorized into two major groups: growth promoters and growth inhibitors. Growth promoters are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins and ethylene, while growth inhibitors are abscisic acid and ethylene. Ethylene function as both growth promoters and growth inhibitors. There are more hormones in addition to the given examples. Some other plant hormones are bassinosteroid and salicylates. Bassinosteroid and salicylates.
Some of the functions of cytohormones are plants hormones are very essential for the growth and other plants psychology. Some of such hormones promote growth, which are categorized in growth promoters. These hormones which inhibits seed germination, stimulates the activities like seed dormancy, etc. like activities are called growth inhibitors. There is the table of the plant hormones and their major functions. Auxine, stem elongation, root growth, fruit development, and in cytokinins, root growth stimulates germination, and in gibberellins, seeds and bud germination, stem elongation, fruit development, and in bassinosteroids inhibit root growth and leaf abscission. Abscisic acid inhibits growth, promotes seeds dormancy, ethylene fruit ripening and abscission of leaves.
There are some plant hormones which have their major functions in plant growth, and they are auxins. Its major function is stem elongation. It means while it is a flower and here is root, then it helps in the elongation of this stem or shoot system stem, and here is root and root growth. It is also responsible for the root growth and fruit development, while cytokinins major function is root growth, stimulate germination. It means while in every plant there is a process of germination, while cytokinins are responsible for it, and in gibberellins hormone, seed and bud germination. Seed and bud germination. In each plant there is a bud and a seed. But in non-flowering plants there is not a seed, but in flowering plants, gibberellins are responsible for seed and bud germination, stem elongation. Gibberellins is also responsible for stem elongation and fruit development in each plant. Bassinosteroids, it inhibits root growth and leaf abscission. It means that bassinosteroids regulates the root growth, and abscisic acid, it inhibits growth. It inhibits the growth of entire plant and it promotes seed dormancy. Seed dormancy means the preservation of seed or preservation of seed to retard its growth as a new plant. And ethylene is responsible for fruit ripening, abscission of leaves. We can see nowadays mangoes are found everywhere, while from the raw mango it is ripened through a hormone called ethylene. Saying this much, we like to thank our we like to end our presentation. Thank you for your cooperation. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you very much. So, two presentators have chosen same Super Guru, right? One Sushil Chan, another Nikisha another. So this second presentation was about which one? Hormones, plant hormones. Plant hormones are called phytohormones. Actually, in our body, there are glands, they secrete hormones. In plants also there are some parts which secrete hormones. Not only that, farmers who have taken training and who wants to grow crops quite faster, they use such type of hormones. What are different plant hormones? Auxin, cytokinin. Remember, inside the seed there are two hormones already placed. One is auxin, another is cytokinin. Because of auxin, the shoot system grows. Because of cytokinin, root system develops. Remember, root grows downward, shoot grows upward. Such type of hormones they prepare in lab also by using some chemicals, and they add to the plants. The plants grow fast and ripen quickly also and produce more quantity. Remember the names: auxin, cytokinin. What is next one? Gibberellins. Next one, brasinosteroids. Next one, abscisic acid and ethylene. It is said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are in liquid form, and ethylene it is in gaseous form. It's done. Okay, now students, it's the turn of which turn now? The final presenter today. Our final presenter today is Deshara Bhandari. Deshara Bhandari, please be here. And who is your guru? The super guru is Krijal. Please, you can be here. I will download your document. Okay, here. Wait on, yes?
Yes, sir.
So I think, is there any admission?
Yes, sir.
There is admission. Okay, just a minute. Oh, pause. Go.
Not working. Sir. Namaskar and warm good morning to our respected science teacher and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Deshara Bhandari from grade 9, standing here to present my presentation on the topic of glandular system. Glandular system. Phytohormones in a farming. There are many types of hormones being used in agriculture. Phytohormones are commonly applied in agriculture to minimize plant susceptibility to abiotic stress while improving the crop productivity. Some uses are mentioned below. Use of phytohormones. The first use is as a weed killer. Axons can be used as a selective weed killers. Axons are the weed killers is used at the higher concentrate that could lead up to the disturbance of growth and causing to be the damage. When the axons are spread in the field, the weeds having wild leaves absorbs such hormone in relatively more.
No, your turn.
Some uses of phytohormones can be are given here, and one use is as a weed killer. A hormone auxin can be used as a selective weed killer. That means it can be used to kill insects, and auxin as a weed killer is used at high concentration that could lead up to disturbance of growth and causing it to be damaged. That means this hormone can be widely used nowadays for growing the productivity of the plants in the field. When exine is spread, the weeds having wide leaves absorb such hormones more.
Next.
No, sorry. Next is
No problem.
next uses is as a root powder. Cutting off the stem of a plant can be dipped into the hormones of root powdering before the planting. The root powdering contains the growth hormone which makes the stem cutting develop root quickly. It helps to regulate the growth of a roots or the growth of a new stem or a branch. It is widely used in the nurseries by using the vegetative propagation like cutting and grafting, etc.
Here it is mentioned that cutting of the stems of plants are dipped into the hormone rooting powder before planting. That means before planting the stem is cut and dipped into the hormone, and the rooting powder contain growth hormones. That means those rooting powder contain hormones which are very good for growth of the plant, and it helps to develop roots quickly. They help to regulate the growth of the root or the growth of new stem or branch.
Next is as a growth agent. Gibberellins are the growth of a plant hormone responsible for the growth and development. They are important for the integrating seed germination. They help farmer to get the more profit by increasing speed of a flower and a fruit coating. Gilberts are normally spread on the growing the size, and they also helps to produce the seedless fruits like the seedless grapes.
And next is about as a growing agents. Gibberellins are a group of plant hormones. They are actually or majorly responsible for growth and development of the plant. They are important for seed germination. As a seed germination is crucial part of life process of plant, it is very important. So gibberellins play a very important role here. They help farmers to get more profit, and it is very known to all that when fruit and flowers are growth more, farmer probably they will surely get profit. And the main function of this hormone as a growing agent is that when it is normally spread also, it has very great impact on the growing size of the plant. By saying we like to conclude. Thank you. For the teaching.
So one to that side. Okay. Thank you very much, Deshara and Krijal. Their duty was to explain about the functions of what? What was their duty? Do you know their duty? Uses of plant hormones. So what are the different uses of plant hormones? We can check over here. 9. I'll just go out to here, right? I think it was not open for. What is the page number? Hello? Students, what is the page number? 90? Altogether there are 4. How many functions are there? 4. What is the first one? Yeah, as a weed. Weed means unwanted plants. Actually in the field we grow different type of plants. And unnecessary some plants they grow and they just absorb the minerals and hinder the growth of other plants. That's why when the hormones are sprayed, those weeds they have got wider leaves and those hormones reach in their leaves, they absorb, they grow very fast and die. If something grows fast, will die or not very quickly. Same thing, that is weed killer. And what is the next one? What is second? As rooting powders. What is second here? Rooting powder. So you have seen some plants. When you cut the stem and keep in water, roots are developed or not. But it takes more time. But when those cut part of the stem is kept in rooting powder containing hormone, the roots are developed in shorter time and we can get new plants quickly. That is as rooting powder. What is the third one? Growing agents. They help to grow the plants fast, buds fast, flowers, fruits. So it is very much essential for farmers. The farmer of other countries, they are very rich. Do you know why? They use different type of insecticides, pesticides as well as hormones. So production is very high. Farmers of Punjab are richer than other people. See, but in our country, farmers are very, very poor. They don't want to do farming one now more because production is not so much, and they don't get more benefit also. And what is next one? Accelerating agents. So what is given here? Some hormones slow down the ripening speed of fruits, whereas other speed is up. Some decrease, some increase. And these hormones and their inhibitors are useful for causing delay ripening while we transport fruits or when fruits are displayed in shops. If the fruits ripen very fast, then they may damage quickly. That's why if they are transporting fruits from one place to another, what do? They add their hormone so that they do not ripen fast and then can be transported for long distance also. For both purposes, for increasing the ripening, for decreasing the ripening, plant hormones or phytohormones can be used. So that is the end of this chapter. So the chapter is about plant hormones, animal hormones, means especially human hormones, their functions, and tomorrow there will be presentation of exercise. Did I give the duty to those presentators? Have I given? Not given. Okay. Now I will give you that duty. So Deshara, what is your roll number? 8. Which roll number 9? Swarnima, roll number 10. Rajan. Rajan's duty you just ask to other person. So yes, you select one super guru will do, but you have to read and explain, right? Okay? Do. Yes, your guru, your guru. So who doesn't have, we must ask to guru. Swarnima, Rajan, and now next, we third, Snehat Malla. The 3 students they will get tomorrow's presentation. The presentation is about this one. What is first? Multiple choice questions. How many multiple choice questions are here? 5. And how many short questions are here? 8. So question number 1 and question number 2 for Swarnima. Okay, who is your super guru? Krijal. So you can discuss and make accordingly. Okay. And Rajan. Who is your super guru? No, your guru. Your guru is Anmol and super guru. So here are two, either Aarina or Krijal. So whom you want to choose? Aarina or Krijal? You Rajan. Krijal? No, Krijal. Okay. For Rajan, not more. Question number 3, A, B, C, D, E. 3 A, B, C, D, E only. Okay. Now, which next one? Sneha Malla. Sneha Malla, your duty is. Oh, only E means. Sneha Malla, question number 4. Differences between. And who is your super guru? Oh, tomorrow's super guru is only one person. Krijal, you have got lots of work. Okay. So, these will be completed by tomorrow. And diagrammatic questions will be discussed in our next class. Already discussed? It means this chapter is. Sorry? Now 5 give reasons left. Give reasons we will discuss. Sorry? Give reasons, yeah, okay. Give reasons means Tejas and what is it? Tejas your duty. Tejas, his super guru is this Aarina. Okay? Do accordingly. Thank you.